Shit, what does that mean? This is not your regular bend down select wig. Peace out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Do me well by clicking on that subscribe button, like and comment at the end of this video if you find it helpful. Turn on your post notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload new videos, and please share. And for my returning subscribers, thank you all for always coming back to check out my new videos. I really appreciate. In today's video, I'll be giving you guys a 1-year update on the synthetic bone straight wig that I have here. If you don't know or haven't watched the video yet, this wig was made using 1 pack of braiding hair extension. So if you're interested to know how I made the wig, I'm gonna put the link to the video in my description box. So guys, this wig update has been the most highly requested video on my channel. Just after a month of making this wig, I got lots of comments from people asking me to review the wig and tell them what the hair is looking like. I didn't want to come out here and give you guys a month, 2 months, 3 months or even 6 month update of what the hair was looking like then. I wanted to come out here and give you guys like a year update, like a whole 1 year plus update of what the hair is actually looking like, and also answer some of your questions on how to maintain this hair and make it last longer for you. But before I get into the question and answer section, I want to point out something to you guys. I've observed that most viewers don't actually watch videos. They don't even look at the thumbnail. They just watch for a few seconds, come to the comment section to ask questions. While some of them don't even click on the video. All they do is look at the thumbnail, click on the video and come to the comment section to ask questions. And to tell y'all, if you're one of those who don't watch videos but come to the comment section to ask questions, I want to let you know that I will not reply your comments. Yes, because I know that my videos are 100% detailed, and whatever I didn't put in my video or didn't put in my description box and you come to the comment section to ask me, I'll definitely give you an answer. But if what you're asking me is in the video or in the description box, I will not answer your question. And that's some period. So you guys should learn how to watch videos till the end to avoid being ignored in the comment section. But that aside, in today's video, I'm gonna answer all your questions on how to maintain this wig and how to make it last longer for you. And not only how to make this particular straight hair last longer for you, I'm also gonna tell you guys, and if you haven't watched, I have a video on how to maintain careless synthetic hair, and I'm gonna put the link in my description box, okay? But for today's video, it's all about how to maintain your straight synthetic bone straight hair. I'm gonna be reading the questions off my phone, so let's get into it. So the first question, the person asked me, how long does this hair last? Well, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This hair lasts long depending on how often you wear it. If you make it your everyday wig, it will definitely not last for you. Sincerely, I've had this wig for 1 year and 5 months now, and I can count how many times I've worn the hair out, both as a straight hair and as a curly hair. Though I'm not really a fan of wigs, I wear wigs once in a while. I prefer being in braids or cornrow. That's why my wigs last, both the human hair and the synthetic hair wig. But aside that, I do rent this wig out to people for photo shoot and video shoot. And I remember one time doing a heatless curl on this wig using some flexi rods, and it turned out really beautiful. I'm gonna attach the picture of how it looked when I did the heatless curl on it, and if you haven't watched the video, the link to the video will be in my description box, so go check the video out. So the second question says, what do you do if this hair tangles? As you all can see, this particular one is yet to tangle. That is because I don't wear the wig all the time. But if yours tangle, you either flat iron the hair on a low heat or you dip it in the hot water. Ensure you add hair conditioner to the hot water before dipping in the hair. After that, apply a little conditioner on the wig while it's still wet, then hang it and let it air dry. Do not blow dry this wig while it's still wet, because if you do, you won't achieve that silky, soft, human hair-like texture. That's my opinion though. So for the third question, the person asked me if I sell braiding hair wigs. Yeah, I do sell wigs, but only on pre-order. So if you want me to make one for you, I'm gonna put my Instagram link in my description box, so go ahead, click on the link, send me a DM, and let's talk business, period. So the fourth question says, what braiding hair brand did you use? I used the Expression Ultra braiding hair extension for making this wig. So another question says, after you put the hair conditioner in the hot water, did you add any hair oil to it, or you applied hair oil to it after it dried? I did not put hair oil to this wig. I don't put hair oil before or after making any straight synthetic hair, except my client requests I do that. But if I want to make for myself, I don't add hair oil to it because I don't like when straight hair shines. It gives it that fake look, especially if it's synthetic hair. It makes it more obvious that what you're wearing is synthetic hair. So to make the hair look more natural and human hair like, I do not put oil on it, because putting hair oil on a straight synthetic hair makes it more obvious that what you're wearing is synthetic hair. I can actually put hair oil on curly synthetic hair or wavy one, but I do not put oil on straight synthetic hair. So the next question says, how did you make the closure? Did you use braiding hair to make the closure, or you used human hair? And where is the link to where you purchased the lace, the crochet hook, and the wig cap? So for the closure of this wig, I used the same braiding hair I used in making the wig to ventilate the closure. And the link to how I made the closure will be in my description box. And for the lace, the crochet hook, and the wig cap, I got them all at a local beauty supply store in my city. So the next question says, this question is actually funny. Whenever I see this kind of question on my comment section, I actually laugh and I don't reply it. If you go through my comment section, you observe that I don't reply this kind of comments. This comment actually makes me laugh and I don't know why. The person asked, won't this hair get spongy? What do you all mean by hair getting spongy? This is not your regular bend down select wig. This is not your regular buy one get 5 free wig. Despite the fact that it's a synthetic hair which is made using braiding hair extension, there are some processes this wig passed through. So don't come here and ask me, when it gets spongy, what does that mean? What does that even mean, when it gets spongy? No, this wig will not get spongy. If you know how to maintain a wig, it will not get spongy. There are people who you would give human hair. In less than 6 months, they've turned it to something else. So now tell me, how would this kind of people be able to maintain a synthetic wig? So no honey, this hair will not get spongy as long as you maintain it. Okay, so the last question, and the person asked me, how do you wash this wig, especially the closure parts for those who lay it down with glue, and how do you keep it tangle free? So I'm going to show you guys a small clip on how to wash it, rinse it, maintain it, and keep it safe. So keep on watching. First of all, have your bowl filled with cold water. Go ahead and add a good amount of shampoo into the bowl. I'm using the Hammer Hair Fruit Shampoo. You can use any hair shampoo of your choice. Go ahead, put the wig in the water. Let it sit in the water for good 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes already. Bring the hair out. Put some shampoo on the closure part and gently massage. After that, go ahead and wash the whole wig as you see me do in this video. So I'm done washing it. The next thing is to get a clean water for rinsing it. Rinse the hair as you see me do in this video. Ensure you follow all the steps, please. I'm gonna rinse the hair for the second time with another clean water, but this time I added a hair conditioner to it. Put the hair in the water and let it sit for 3 minutes. After that, continuously dip the hair, straighten the wig and air dry. See how the closure part is looking? Very neat. Now when the hair is dry, this is how I keep it safe whenever I'm done wearing it. I get a braiding hair pack. Put the wig in the braiding hair pack. The next thing I do is to put the wig underneath my mattress. It's that easy, boo. FYI, I don't place this wig on the mannequin head or hang it to a nail on the wall, cause if you do, dust will get on it and with time it will start tangling. So follow my style and make this wig last for you. So that is all for today's video. If you're curious about anything or have any suggestion, let me know down below in the comment section. Remember, my Instagram handle and all the video links that I mentioned in this video will be in the description box. I'll see you all in my next video. Have a lovely day or night, depending on the time you're seeing this video.